Woods of Riddles, Area 1. I'm here walking. It's February of 2025. It's cold. -5 degrees. It's winter and it's cold. Not very much snow yet this winter. Knock on wood. Probably coming more later. Something new again. Here is the quote-unquote barricade area with all down trees. So if to encourage people not to go in there, because further in there is what I call the Big Strange Camp, or the Sasquatch Campground. Past the barricades. Again. A lot of structures in there, trees in all directions. the location of the great branch shelter, the spruce branch shelter. It was here. And in there somewhere is the big teepee. I don't know if it still stands now. It was there last summer. Look at all the trees crisscrossing. Smash that like button. I think it's their way of having cover outwards towards the world and towards people. All this because people shy away from walking through here, you would guess, because it's hard to get through it. I've been wanting to show you this tree here that's bent and broken. Look there. And when this little tree has leaves, it's a great blind. To be behind. The teepee is still there. And the door is closed, as you see. It's like a closed door. The door is closed for the winter. I wonder if there are what kind of footprints. I don't know. I thought I saw a rather big footprint there. Where was that? There. That could be barefoot. With barefoot, I mean from a shoe without shoes. No, from a foot without shoes, I mean. Barefoot footprint. Maybe. way out I find this. This is new. This is new. This one people can't accuse of being just gathered wood for fire, for burning in a fire pit, because they're around here. There is no camp around just here. This is no campground. Heel, toes. Whoa, another one. These are sticks leaned up.